Get to the latest now regarding the Middle East. Megan Cassella joins us from our bureau in Washington, D.C. What do we know, Megan?
Hey, Scott, so there are a number of reports right now about a credible threat on this idea of an attack against U.S. forces in the Middle Eastern region. The Wall Street Journal is citing U.S. officials saying that Iran has moved missile launchers into place for a potential attack retaliation against those strikes on Saturday. Reuters says that threat is specifically aimed at the Al Udeid U.S.-run airbase based in Qatar. This all comes, of course, as we already know that Qatar has shut its airspace amid these threats of ongoing reports, Scott. So all of this happening right now, I will say there are early reports that some of these attacks could be in place. There could be explosions. We are monitoring those as we come. What we know for now is that there are credible threats at this point against U.S. forces in the region. Scott, I'll also flag the president is scheduled to have a national security meeting coming up just in the next 15 minutes at the White House. We'll monitor that as well and bring you more as we have it.
I think it's important to note, too, that presumably the United States would be well anticipating this sort of maneuver without much question, given the base where it is, the proximity, and the ease, if you want to use that word, for the reach that Iran could do. It is the closest base to that country.
Absolutely. Officials have been braced since these attacks on Saturday night for something like this to happen. They have long been saying that 48 hours, the first 48 hours after those attacks, were going to be the biggest risk for U.S. forces, especially in the region. Homeland Security has also issued threats about potential attacks on U.S. soil, saying they're on high alert for that, particularly cyber attacks. But of course, the forces in the region were at most risk here. That not only the long-range missiles that they have, but even short-range missiles by the Iranians could reach those as well.
All right, Megan, keep us up to date if you would.